Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Haitian Creole. Today's video, we're going to cover senses, okay? Our 5 senses. And senses is sens in Creole. Bonjour, tout le monde. Bienvenue na Apprendre Creole Haïtien. Jodi a, nous pral couvrir 5 sens yo, okay? 5 sens yo, c'est 5 senses en anglais. Okay, so the first sense we're going to cover is sight. Sight. Okay, sight. C'est vision ou bien ouais. Vision ou bien ouais. Okay, premier sens que n'a couvrir, okay, c'est sight. Okay, sight. Sight, c'est vision ou bien ouais. Okay, vision ou bien ouais. For example, I see the mountains. Okay? I see the mountains. C'est mwen ouais montay yo. Montay c'est mountains. Mwen ouais, I see. Mwen ouais montay yo. Way to say I see the mountains is to say mwen ouais mon yo. Okay? Mon is also mountain. Mwen ouais mon yo. I see the mountains. Yon l'autre façon que nous ka di I see the mountains, c'est pour nous dire mwen ouais mon yo. OK? Si on parler de mon, on parler de mountains. Pour exemple, OK? Pour exemple, nous ka di I see the mountains. Mwen ouais montay yo. OK? Mwen ouais montay yo, c'est I see the mountains. So another example is my eyesight is bad. Okay, so for eyesight, we can say Vizyon. My eyesight is bad. Vizyon pas bon. Vizyon pas bon. Okay, yon lot exemple, nou ka pran, nou ka di, Vizyon pas bon. Okay, my eyesight is bad. Vizyon pas bon. So a person who cannot see is blind, okay? So that person is Avèg in Creole, okay? Blind is Avèg. Okay? Yon moun ki pa wè nan zye, ki pa ka wè. En Creole nou di li Avèg, okay? En anglais nou di blind, okay? Avèg c'est blind. So a person who is blind in one eye, we call boy. Okay? Boy. Blind in one eye, boy. Le yon moun wè nan seul yeux, okay? Nou ele yon boy en Creole, okay? Moun nan blind in one eye, okay? Boy say blind in one eye. So in Haiti, there's a saying, when two people aren't very smart, but one is smarter than the other, they say, un boy ap conduit yon avèg. So what it means is that a person with one eye is guiding someone who's completely blind. It's like Dumb and Dumber. Okay, so the next sense we're going to talk about is smell. Okay, so for smell, we can say Santi, we can say Sant, we can say Pran. Okay? L'autre sens que nous pral parler a, okay? C'est smell, smell. Smell, c'est là on prend Sant, ou senti yon bagay, ou bien on prend yon Sant. Okay? Smell. So for example, we can say, I like to smell perfume. Okay? I like to smell perfume. Mwen renmen santi pafen. Mwen renmen santi pafen. Pour exemple, nou ka di, mwen renmen santi pafen. Okay? I like to smell perfume. Mwen renmen santi pafen. So another example we can take is to stop smelling the food. Okay? Pretty much stop sticking your nose in the food. Okay? Sispan Santi manje. Ok, yon lot exemple nou ka pran se Sispan, Santi, manje. Ok, stop smelling the food. Sispan, Santi, manje. So when you're using the word Santi for smell, it's like the action, the act of smelling. You're sticking your nose. Most of the time, that's what it's going to mean. So Santi also means something smells bad. If you use the word Santi by itself, it actually means something smells bad, okay? So for example, if you want to say you smell feet, I smell feet, okay? Ou ka di, mwen pran Sant, mayas, okay? Mayas by itself means stinky feet. Okay? Yon lot exemple se ou ka di, tako si ou vle di ou pran Sant mayas, ou pran Sant pied, ou di I smell feet, okay? Ou pran Sant mayas. So here, for pran Sant, we say ou pran Sant, like you're taking in the smell. You're not sticking your nose anywhere to smell anything. It's like the smell is in the air and you can smell it. Another example is I smell food. Okay? I smell the food. Mwen pran Sant manje. Okay? Mwen pran Sant manje. I smell the food. So another way to say smell is Sant. Okay? So in this case, we say ki sant sa? What's that smell? Ki sant sa? So the third sense we're going to be covering is hearing, okay? Hearing is Tande, okay? To be able to hear is Tande. Troisième sens que nap kouvri, c'est Tande, okay? Tande, c'est hearing. Le ou ka tande, okay? Hearing, to hear, Tande. So here's an example, okay? I hear you. Mwen tande ou. I hear you. Mwen tande ou. Do you hear me? Eske ou tandem? Do you hear me? Eske ou tandem? Eske ou tande mwen? Si ou vle madon moun an kesyon, ou bezon konen, eske moun nan tande ou? Ou di, eske ou tandem? Ou bien ou di, ou tandem? Do you hear me? Ou tandem? A person who cannot hear is deaf. Okay? Deaf. In Creole, we say soud. Deaf is soud. Yon moun ki pa ka tande, li soud. Okay? Ça c'est deaf en anglais. Okay? Soud, c'est deaf en anglais. Someone who doesn't speak is mute. In Creole, we say bebe. Okay? Bebe. Mute is bebe. So if you go to Haiti and someone points to someone and say, that's bebe, like that's the person's name, don't repeat it. That's someone who's mute, who doesn't speak. And so, in a way, it's kind of insensitive because that person actually has a name. So, just don't fall into that and don't call that person bebe. Got exemple, c'est bebe. En Haïti, là nous disons moun bebe, moun na pa pale. En pile fois moun na se soud li soud, li pa tande l pa pale, et puis nous même nous pensons li juste pa pale, nous rele l bebe. Okay? So bebe en anglais c'est mute. Okay? Mute. Okay? Bebe c'est mute. Moun na pa pale. What I said in the previous slide was that a lot of times in Haiti, the person's actually deaf and they don't speak because, you know, there's no help. So people just call them bebe. Another one of the senses is to taste. Okay, taste is goute. okay? Goût or prend goût, okay? Yon lot nan Senk Sans yo, c'est goûter, okay? Le wap prend goût an bagay, goûter, c'est taste, okay? Taste, c'est goûter, goût ou bien prend goût. One example is, let me taste, okay? Let me taste, bam goûter, okay? Let me taste, c'est bam goûter. Yon exemple nou ka pran, c'est si ou vle goûter on bagay. Si ou vle di bam goûter, wap mande moun nan, let me taste, okay? Bam goûter, takou ta di kite m goûter, let me taste. If you wanted to say, I taste the chicken, you can say, mwen goûter poule la, or you can also say, mwen pran goût poule la, okay? Mwen goûter, ou bien mwen pran goût. So, goûter is the act of tasting. You're putting food in your mouth to taste it. That's goûter. Prend goût, it's like you're eating something and you can taste something in there, if that makes sense. I tasted the chicken. This is the act of tasting the chicken. I put it in my mouth. But I tasted some fish in there. Makes sense? I tasted the chicken. It's the act. You would say, mwen goûter poule la, mwen goûter. This is the act. But I tasted some fish in there. Mwen pran goût poisson. I hope that makes sense. Okay, goûter is the act, and then pran goût is what you tasted after you put it in your mouth. Okay. Goût by itself means food is good. Okay, it's good, but it's food. So if you wanted to say the food is good, you can say manger à goût. Okay. Manger à goût, say the food is good. Okay, nou ka di manger à bon, mais apil moun di manger à goût. Say the food is good. So if you're eating something that doesn't taste good, it doesn't taste right, you can say manger à pas goût. The taste is not good. Okay, the food is not good. You can say manger à pas goût. Manger pas goût ou bien manger à pas bon, nou ka di the food is not good. Okay, so if the food is not good, you can say manger à pas goût ou bien manger à pas bon. So if you're eating something and it tastes good, you can just say li goût. Li goût manger à goût. Goût by itself means it tastes good. Okay? So if you're eating something and it tastes good, you can say li goût. Okay? Manger à goût. The food is good. You can say li goût, or you can say li bon. Si nap manjon bagay ki goût, okay? Nou di, it's good. It's good. Li goût. Manger à goût. The food is good. If you're eating something that doesn't taste good, you can simply say li pa goût, or you can say li pa bon. If you want to say the food is not good, you can say manger à pas goût. If something has no taste, or it doesn't taste good, okay? If something doesn't taste good, you can also say li pa gen goût. Li pa gen goût. It has no taste. Okay? Li pa gen goût. Another way to say something doesn't taste good or something's missing some taste is to say li sans goût. If someone says the food is sans goût, it means the food's not good. Yon lot façon nou ka di on mange pa gen goût, c'est nou ka di li sans goût. It has no taste. Manger à sans goût. It has no taste. Our last sense is to touch. Okay? To touch, say Manyen or Touche. Okay? To touch is Manyen or Touche. Dernier sens nap fe jodi, c'est touch. Okay? Touch, c'est Manyen ou bien toucher. Le ou manyen yon bagay ou bien ou touche, c'est touch. Okay, so an example is I touch you. Mwen manyen or mwen touche. Okay? I touch you, say mwen manyen or mwen touche. Si ou manyen yon moun, okay, ou ka di mwen manyen ou bien mwen touche, say I touch you. I touch you, say mwen manyen ou bien mwen touche. If you want to tell somebody not to touch, okay, don't touch, you say pa manyen or pa touche, okay? Don't touch, pa manyen or pa touche. Okay, si nou vle di yon moun pa manyen ou bien pa touche, nou di don't touch. Don't touch. Sou pa vlon moun manyen ou di don't touch me. Okay? Okay, thank you again for watching. I hope you find this video helpful and you're able to learn your senses. I know it's kind of long, but it's only because I included a lot of Creole and English. If there's anything in the video that you found confusing, feel free to let me know. Ask questions, leave me comments, and I thank you again for watching. Merci encore à tout moun qui te gade vidéo ça, li paraît long, mais vraiment information pas longue, c'est juste parce que moi fait presque chaque partie en anglais et puis en créole. Si gen yon bagay que nou wè qui pas clair, nou gen yon question, pas hésiter, nous mettre madame, nous ka voyer un email ou bien nous ka faire un commentaire dans la vidéo. Also, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you're not a subscriber, and if you did like this video and you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe. Si c'est première fois ou visiter channel là, ok, et puis ou remen vidéo ça ou ta remen ouais plus vidéo, abonnez à channel là et puis comme ça ou connaître l'aime faire l'autre vidéo. Merci, bye bye.